I would love to add something more to it. What are the various functions of management? We discussed something about organizing, planning, and then we discussed something about staffing. And apart from that, there can be few more functions, like one function that is directing. And what directing is, that is the actual performance of a work starts with, you need to stimulate people to be very high performers. You need to influence the behavior of people through your motivation, through communication, through group dynamics, through leadership qualities. You need to inculcate the spirit of discipline, leadership qualities, effective communication, and other things by which you can influence the people behavior. Like that, that's the job. It's management that influences. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So this management is also helps us in directing the people. By how do we direct? How managers direct? They influence the behavior of people, to motivate them to do something good, to give them certain external interior motivations, or we call as external internal motivation. Then we try to make them acquaint with the group dynamics. We try to make them aware about the leadership and other qualities over there. And apart from that, it helps us in the coordinating. Okay, all the activities, they are divided in group wise or section wise. So and this is the job of the management. Try to coordinate those, I mean to say, those groups. Try to coordinate those sections. And then it's the job of a manager to, I mean say, to monitor the progress. And then if need arises, he may implement certain necessary changes in order to run the group very effectively. And he tries to coordinate the things in order to make it sure that the goals are met, the predetermined goals that are being, I mean say, that are being set by the company, that they those goals, they are likely going to meet. Then apart from that, we what I discussed about that, and that's a full-fledged topic. And inshallah, in my next lecture, that's a very important topic, that is motivation. This management, this the very basic function of this management is to motivate the people. So now, what leads us to have the motivation, and what are the different kinds of motivation? So, inshallah, in my next class, please remind me about it. We will discuss in detail what is motivation, how to arouse the motivation, what are the different factors that influence the motivation, and what are the different types of motivation, and what leads to have motivation for something, what is need, and what are the different kinds of needs, and all that. That there you may understand it fully. Is it clear? So, hello.
Sir, आप बहुत fast पढ़ा रहे हैं आज.
Oh, sorry. मैं
We are
ज़्यादा
not able to write anything.
okay. Let me na be with very low speed, very low speed. Don't worry for anything. So what I was discussing so far, we were discussing the functions of management, and we discussed some of the functions earlier. We discussed something about the planning. We discussed something about organizing. Then one more important function that we discussed, that's called as staffing. So what that stopping is, that is activities of selection and placement of competent personals. ठीक है? यानी कि we try to those managers who are meant to manage the affairs of an organization or an institution, they must be good at mobilizing people in order to contribute certain ideas from them. Is it clear? Is it clear what I'm trying to convey? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then another thing that I discussed with you, that is another very important function of management, is directing. So whom to direct, how to direct, what to direct? This is the question which needs to be answered. So what it means to direct? So to direct those people who are the actual, I mean to say, performance of a work. And the actual performance of a work, where from it starts. It tries to, I can say in other terms, it tries to stimulate people. it tries to this management, it's stimulating people to have to become very high performers. Okay, so how it's possible, it tries to, I can say, it tries to influence people's behavior, and how that behavior is to be influenced. There are the different ways, there are the different means through which you can influence the behavior of people. For example, you motivate someone, ठीक है, by giving some sort of motivation. Once you provide certain kind of motivation to the people, their behavior can be influenced. Is it clear? Or for example, if you have good communicative skills, if you are good in communication, you can influence the behavior of other people. Or if you have the tactics of what we call as group dynamics, if you have that sort of caliber, if you have that sort of potential with you, and then you can influence the behavior of the people over there. And not only this much, but apart from that, you can inculcate the spirit of, rather, this management, the management inculcates the spirit of leadership. It inculcates the spirit of discipline, because things are to be carried out in an organized way. They are to be carried out in what we call as in a logical way. They are to be carried out in a sequential way. So that way, that influences the group, that leadership qualities and other things over there. Is it clear? Hopefully you are able to understand it, what I am trying to convey. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आपसे?
Yes, sir.
Then another function, very important function of this management, is that's coordinate, to coordinate. So yani कि, actually, in an organization or in an institution, there are different activities. Yani कि different groups are divided into, I can say, in different sections. And now the job of this management is to try to organize, try to coordinate those different sections, try to, I mean to say,
सॉरी सर, लेकिन अभी भी आप बहुत फास्ट पढ़ा रहे हैं
मुझे लगता है कि
सर।
मैं
अब ये होता, लेकिन हमारे पास अब रिकॉर्डिंग भी नहीं है, तो हम बाद में नोट भी नहीं कर सकते। जो हमें नोट करना है वो अभी नोट करना है।
तो Google Bushes, you do trust me, I do it very na in I can say क्या होता है, I am speechless. Then I don't read it from anywhere. I'm just speaking it as it is. Anyways, settle. I will try. Chalo, I will try to incorporate it. Now the second important point is that is coordinating. So what it means to coordinate, यानी कि what I'm trying to convey you, that basically in an organization or in an institution, we see there are different setups, there are different groups, there, I mean, say different groups have to perform different kind of functions. Is it clear? So by making use of the management cycles over there, a manager is able to coordinate. He tries to coordinate through his management to do those different people, those different setups. Is it clear? And then his job is to monitor the progress. His job is to implement the necessary changes over there. Is it clear? यानी कि why, so why to do, why to have the coordination, why to make people work with one each other, why to be in very coordination with each other, in order to see, in order to check whether the goals which are being set up by the company, the goals which are being set up by the institution or the organization, whether one is able to attain them or not. So how that this all becomes possible, this all becomes possible when we make use of the management in that very particular process over there. And then another function that I already spoke of, that's called as motivation. So management has a big role to play in motivation. So now the question is how this motivation is to be aroused. There are the different factors for enhancing motivation. Maybe there are some internal factors, there are some external factors, what we called as intrinsic motivation. Another is called as extrinsic motivation, or we can say there is intrinsic extrinsic motivation. What does that mean, is intrinsic extrinsic motivation? Intrinsic motivation is something, one who is a manager, one who is managing a group, one who is managing an organization, institution, he is born with certain, I mean to say, within heart's heart, क्या होता है कि इंसान को लगता है कि आई मस्ट डू इट, यानी कि वो इन्फ्लुएंस खुद ही हो जाता है, without with nobody tells him, nobody speaks him. Settle, he or she, sir, the way you made us write things day before, please teach that way. I'm not able to understand. So अब यही बेटा, ये तो I'm giving the explanation. You can broadly write it down. For example, there is what we call as motivating, coordinating, directing, staffing, organizing. Don't worry for anything. You need to just remember those headings. Then you can I mean say you can understand it like this. Try to understand the explanation. You don't need to go for the detailed notes and all that. You may remember the broader headings, like for example organizing, for example what is staffing, what's organizing, what is directing, what is coordinating. You don't need to point everything over there. समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आपसे बेटा? So don't worry for anything. It's just I'm giving the explanation for those lines and all. And then apart from that, we see this one of the important functions of this management is innovation. So which kind of innovation? यानी कि to that organization must adapt to new changes in the business world. Otherwise, if there are no innovations, it would be something what we call as like you won't function the management properly, because day by day new things comes over there, new tastes are over there, new I mean say customers are there. So you need to create certain innovations. It's a job of the management to create certain kind of innovations in their business and all that. Is it clear? So then apart from that, one important function that's being carried out by the management, that's decision making. Decision making is very important. What the decision making includes? Decision making includes yani ki before you may proceed for something, before you may carry out any plan, before you may carry out any activity, before you may carry out any business transaction. What you need to do, you need to carry out certain decisions, you need to plan certain decisions, you need to carry out, you need to check out the days, you need to prepare certain decisions, and then you need to give a way to them. And this decision making also comes what we call it also acts as a function of management and over there. Is it clear? So apart from that, this management, this helps us in what we call as in accomplishment of certain group goals, accomplishment of goals, accomplishment of predefined defined goals over there. Is it clear? And one important aspect is that is in order to have the what we call as effective effective utilization of the business. So to have an effective utilization of the business, we need management over there. So not only the utilization of the business, but apart from that, effective functioning of the business, or we can say in other terms, I can say to have human resource development, to have the resource development, to have the sound organization structure. Is it clear? Whether it is sound organization structure, whether it is resource development, whether it is effective use of business, whether it is the functioning of business and other things over there, are यानी कि are integrating the various interests of the business to establish the stability in the business. Those are the all functions that are being performed by this I mean say management over there. Hopefully you are able to understand what I am trying to convey over here. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आपसे? Yes or no, please. Anywhere you face any kind of problem, please tell me. I will once again speak about that. आपको लगा कि something which you are not able to understand? Hello, am I audible? बच्चा लोग आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So आपको कहीं पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है जो मैंने आज बता दिया आपको?
सर आप बाकियों से पूछिए, मुझे पहले से ही प्रॉब्लम हुई, स्टार्ट से ही।
अभी भी मतलब जो भी
जी
हमने
सर, आप प्लीज बाकियों को पूछिए, मे बी मुझे शायद ज्यादा लग रहा हो, आप प्लीज बाकियों से भी पूछिए वो।
अदर्स में स्पीक प्लीज। आपको लग रहा है कि देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम? For Jasir and for everyone. So let me sum up what we have discussed so far. We discussed we discussed something about the functioning of the management. What are the broader functions of the management? So yesterday in our previous lecture we discussed something organizing. We discussed something about that. Then we discussed something about staffing. So basically what staffing is it's an activity, which activity of selection and placement of competent persons. यानी कि जैसे कि आप देखते हैं ना किसी कंपनी में जब कैसे पीपल को हायर करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर व्हाई उनको हायर करते हैं? इन ऑर्डर टू मोबिलाइज पीपल टू कंट्रीब्यूट देयर आई कैन से आइडियाज. यानी कि हमें मैनेजर की डिप्टी मैनेजर की जरूरत है, हमें इंश्योरेंस वाले की जरूरत है, हमें दूसरे एक्सपर्ट की जरूरत है, हमें वर्क फोर्स की जरूरत है. So this is the function of management, to have to go for the stopping and all that. Then I discussed one more function, that's what we call as directing. So what directing means is that is to analyze the actual performance which is to be carried out in an institution and organization over there, and how does that actual performance is to be enhanced inside that in an organization. We need to influence the people, we need to try to influence the behavior of the people. And how we can influence the behavior of people, how you can get influenced with someone, कैसे आप influence, for example मैं teacher हूँ, मैं आपको कैसे influence कर सकता हूँ, मैं आपको कैसे motivate, मैं आपको कैसे direct करूँ कि आपको ये करना है. जैसे कि once if I have good communicative skills, if I have good leadership qualities, if I have the qualities like of a good teacher, if I have a good motivation, if I will provide you the motivation, for example internal motivation, अंदर से मैं आपको बोलूं जरा बच्चा लोग आप अपने आप से इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करिए, आपको क्या लगता है, हाउ टू डू थिंग, हाउ टू गो थ्रू, आप देखो उसने क्या किया, आप देखो वो इंस्टीट्यूशन कैसे रन अप होता है, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट्स एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन. और समथिंग इज व्हाट्स कॉल्ड एज इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल इंट्रिंसिक एक्सट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन, यानी कि खुद भी कुछ अंदर से कुछ मोटिवेशन आ जाती है और बाहर किसी लोग को, कोई इंसान को, कोई फ्रेंड को देख के मोटिवेट जाती है. हेलो हेलो, am I audible? Am I audible? Jasira, are you able to understand it now?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, for sure, please be very sure about it. आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आपसे? अगर अभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, then I am the most unfortunate person.
सर बाकी कोई बोले, ये यहाँ पे 28 स्टूडेंट्स है, प्लीज किसी को बोले आप अनम्यूट करने के लिए.
रोशन जहां, are you there?
जी सर.
Are you able to understand? Be honest.
सर पहले आप थोड़ा फास्ट थे लेकिन अब ठीक है.
Thank you. Okay, नहीं, be very genuine, हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा. महनाज शाह, are you there? महनाज, am I audible? महनाज, I mean it, speak it. Otherwise, I will mark you absent. जिसको मैं पूछूं वो बात करेगा. लतीफ डार, लतीफ साहब, are you able to listen me? Hello, Lateef? Lateef, are you there?
हेलो.
हाँ बेटा, आपको समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं कह रहा हूँ आपसे?
जी सर, पहले आप फास्ट जा रहे थे लेकिन अब थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है सर.
ओके, क्वाइट गुड. ओके, नदीम लोन, नदीम, हुजैफा फारूक, हुजैफा, आर यू देयर?
यस सर.
समझ आ रहा है बेटा मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
अब इट्स फाइन.
दरफशान, बुरहान,
जी सर.
बासिल साकिब, बाबा सोहेल, बासिल, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
सर समझ आ रहा है, बट सर प्लीज थोड़ा सा स्लो जाइए, क्योंकि सर हम साथ साथ नोट डाउन भी कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ पॉइंट्स नोट डाउन कर रहे हैं ताकि कल को इजी हो जाए. तो थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन होने की जरूरत है. बाकी समझ आ रहा है सर.
कोई बात नहीं. ओके सोन गोबर, बहुत सोचान बह पर्ना जल्दी जल्दी ज्यादा पर्ना. चलो एनीवेज, डोंट वरी फॉर एनीथिंग.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Don't worry for anything. Thank you, Jasira, for letting me know. I'm very much thankful to you. Thank you very much, dear.
You're welcome,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so what I was what the point of discussion was so far, that is we were discussing the functions of management. Is it clear? So we discussed something so far. Now basically now the point of discussion that was around between the directing. तो मैंने कहा how to direct the people, how to direct your co-workers. For example, you are working in an institution. अगर तो अख मेहरबानी में पट करियो, I would be a luckiest person then. अगर आप में से 2-4 स्टूडेंट अपनी माइक ऑन रखते तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा होता. और आप
जी सर.
So that would be much better. जिनके बैकग्राउंड में नॉइज नहीं है, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, 2-3 बच्चे 4 बच्चे, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. और अनम्यूट करके आप थोड़ा सा मुझे रेस्पॉन्ड कीजिए. रेस्पॉन्ड इन द सेंस यस सर, नो सर, एटलीस्ट लेट मी नो दिस मच, एंड श्योरली you would love to listen me then. Hello, will you
Yes,
please
sir.
will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hope so. So now so मैंने कहा कि now how you will direct your co-workers, how will you direct, for example, you are supposed to work as a manager, so how will you direct the people to work to coordinate, how you will stimulate them, how you are likely going to stimulate them in order to become the high performers, in order to become the good performers in a company or an institution. For example, tomorrow you are supposed to be the, inshallah I wish कि आप लोग IITs में जाए, आप IICs में जाए, आप बड़े बड़े institutions में पढ़िए और वहां से आके you are supposed to be the head of department somewhere in electrical engineering. So how will you motivate the people, how will you motivate your co-workers, how will you motivate your students to work with you? Are you able to understand?
जी
So
sir.
the possible reasons could, the possible way, the possible means could be this: you may try to influence their behavior. And how can you influence the behavior of others? So there are different ways to influence people. For example, one way to influence people is, if you are yourself a good hard worker, definitely people will be influenced with your working at all. For example, if you are a good speaker, people would love to listen to you. Are you able to understand? If you are an honest person, surely people will get influenced from your personality and all. Is it clear? If you have good communicative skills, people would love to listen to you. People will love to follow you. If you have good group dynamics, yani ki you know what to speak, when to speak, where to speak, how to speak, whom to speak. Are you able to understand? People will get, your job will be very good. You will be very much directing, you will be very much active in order to disseminate the information among the group and all that. And apart from that, if one important thing that bestows this management to us, that inculcates the spirit of leadership. You need to develop the qualities of leadership. Leadership doesn't mean that, for example, let's take the example of an institution IoT of Zukura. It's not only leadership quality must being possessed by the dean of the institution and set up run ho jayega. No, at every level we have leaders. For example, at the top hierarchical level it is the dean, then it is what we call as director, then it's concerned HODs, then it's coordinator, then it's a professor, then it's the class representative, then it is the other, I mean to say, if we will have a dichotomy between male and female, तो वहाँ पे भी हमें क्या होने चाहिए? I mean to say people. यानी कि this all is being carried out by the management. So are you able to understand what I am trying to convey now? Hope you are able to understand it now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So then another is, now you have motivated, you have influenced the people, you have influenced the behavior of people, you try to motivate them with your communication, with your personality. और देखिए जब हम बात करते हैं, एक यहाँ पे मुझे एक अहम चीज याद आया. What is, by the way, what is so सबसे, what is the personality? How you are likely going to influence the people? How you are likely going to coordinate them? I have this is a simple question from my side to all of you. आप कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस कर, यानी कि कब कैसे आप कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे या कैसे आप इन्फ्लुएंस लोगों को करेंगे? वंस यू हैव अ गुड पर्सनालिटी. सो व्हाट इट मींस पर्सनालिटी? बाय वर्ड पर्सनालिटी मींस what do you understand about it? If you have a good personality, what it means to have good personality? It requires to have a good personality. And by the way, what is this personality? Jasira, what's your understanding about the personality?
So communication skill, gestures and all. The way we motivate the people.
What else? Anyone else, please? Others may speak, please. देखिए, maybe right now I am just, मैंने अपना वीडियो ऑन किया है. It has a reason, it has a logic. जैसे कि आपने कहा gestures and other things. So any others may please speak. Atkaz Ruidwan, because student है Ruidwan. बाकी चले गए. वासन इमच इल्म ज़्यादा. Roshan Jahan, can you please speak something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think personality means good behavior with everyone around.
Good behavior means personality. Does it mean so? Huzaifa, can you say
I can say.
something? Yeah, well, please, Huzaifa, will you speak something, please? Can you say something about it?
Sir, I think personality means how an individual behaves. It's about individuality.
It's about individuality. Latif ne tab bhi baat nahi ki. Latif, are you there? And be sure for one thing and convey your classmates. मैं बासन इंशाल्लाह Robson, most among you in your class, they will be failing in this very particular subject. They will get 0, I'm sure for it. They have to reappear. Most among you. याद रखना मेरी बात. This would be a record. Last engineers humanities में fail हो गए. See it in future, because they take it very easy. and I'm sure enough they won't be in a position to defend themselves and their behavior. Okay, Nadeem, would you like to say something?
हेलो सर.
Yes, please. Latif, why don't you speak? तो शेयर में
Sir-
application रखें.
हाँ ना सर, एक्चुअली मेरा ईयरफोन.
ना वो इनसे पूछोगा ईयरफोन गाड़ी को पास.
सर मुझे अभी पता चला.
अच्छा. Okay, Latif, can you speak something? What is the personality? How to develop? What's the personality, by the way?
जी सर, इट लाइक मतलब जब पर्सनालिटी से मतलब ऐसे हम डिफाइन कर सके कि अगर हम देखेंगे किसी का बिहेवियर कैसा है कि बात करने का या चाल चलन का, तो अगर इसकी पर्सनालिटी अच्छी है तो मतलब जो भी कोई पर्सनल लोग या
आपकी डीपी में बड़ा स्मार्ट लग रहा है. आपने स्पेक्स लगाई है क्या? इसको कहेंगे यू हैव अ गुड पर्सनालिटी और यू हैव अ बैड पर्सनालिटी?
जी सर, इससे लगता है कि पर्सनालिटी अच्छी है तो मतलब लोगों में मोटिवेशन पैदा होती है.
स्टाइल बनाना, is it personality?
यस सर.
Basil, will you please speak something? Yes, sir. So personality is like how a person behave, how a person, what can I say, how a person thinks about, उसकी सोच कैसी है, वो behave कैसे करता है, sir. वो
most of you आप लोगों ने सबने यही कहा कि how a person behaves.
सर नहीं, वो कैसे सोचता है, उसका perspective क्या है, sir? God forbid, I am a criminal person, but I will behave very properly. I will behave very
सर
decently.
एक्सेप्ट मी, मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला.
जासिरा, मे बी मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ या बाकियों से भी पूछ रहा हूँ, रोशन और अदर्स, मैं उनसे पूछूं कि मैं I will act very politely, I will act very decently, but my inner psyche, that's very bad. I'm very harsh by heart.
That's why I said how a person thinks. That defines his
Yes
or
sir,
her.
the moods of a person and the thinking of the
Exactly.
person.
No,
That
सब
also
एक इंसान
affects
कैसी,
the
उसकी थिंकिंग कैसी है, वो उसकी पर्सनालिटी डिफाइन करेगा कि वो कैसा इंसान है.
Jasira, what it means, moods of a person, mood, what's mood, by the way?
so maybe मतलब वो कैसे हैंडल करेगा सिचुएशन को, कोई भी सिचुएशन को होगी.
Mood is not that. Mood is basically there are different types of moods. Mood is a mental state. It's something what we call as you might have heard something about speculative modes and different. नहीं शायद नहीं पढ़ा होगा आपने.
No, sir, we haven't read that.
तो मैं मोड की बात नहीं करूं. Actually, my point of concern is once we talk of personality is not only about what is how good you are looking and what's your style of, I mean, say walking, your dressing and other things. No, it's not all about that. It's not all about wearing specs or not wearing a specs. It's not all about, I mean, say having a big vehicle or not. It's not that. That's not likely going to determine the personality of it. Personality is basically, it's the sum total of a personality. For example, in psychological terms, once we define human personality, how we basically they define personality, a human being, rather not a personality but a human being, it is sum of traits. And what are those traits? Traits are they are what we call as, they are the smallest dispositions. यानी कि एक इंसान की लाइफ जो बनती है, जब डिफरेंट ट्रेट्स को हम मिला लेते हैं, एक इंसान की फॉर्मेशन पैदा होती है. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल यू माइट हैव वर्ड सरफेस ट्रेट, सेंट्रल ट्रेट, कॉर्डिनियल ट्रेट, सेकेंडरी ट्रेट्स. जब इन ट्रेट्स को हम मिला लेते हैं तो एक इंसान की फॉर्मेशन होती है, एक इंसान बन जाता है. यानी कि प्राइमरी ट्रेट क्या होता है, सेकेंडरी ट्रेट्स होते हैं, कॉर्डिनियल ट्रेट्स होते हैं, सेंट्रल ट्रेट्स होते हैं. यानी कि उन्हीं की वजह से अगर आपकी एग्जिस्टेंस है, कोई बॉय है तो बिकॉज ऑफ दोज ट्रेट्स, कोई गर्ल है तो बिकॉज ऑफ दोज ट्रेट्स, कोई इंसान सच्चा है तो बिकॉज ऑफ दोज सेंट्रल ट्रेट्स, कोई इंसान नोबल है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कॉर्डिनियल ट्रेट्स. आपको बात समझ में आ रही मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आपसे? अगर साइकोलॉजिकल टर्म्स में हम ह्यूमन बीइंग को डिफाइन करेंगे, ह्यूमन पर्सनैलिटी को डिफाइन करेंगे, दैट इज सम टोटल ऑफ ट्रेट्स. अगर ना वो पर्सनैलिटी को हम डिफाइन करेंगे, पर्सनैलिटी इज नॉट ओनली हाउ यू लुक्स, हाउ यू वेयर्स, हाउ यू टॉक्स, how you pretend to be. No, it is the sum total of all the traits, internal as well as external traits. Is it clear? बात समझ में आ रही मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आपसे? यानी कि आपकी इनर साइकी क्या है और आप डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस और डिफरेंट सर्कमस्टेंसेस में अपने आप को कितना अडॉप्ट करते हैं. Are you able to understand? That is a conception of personality. For example, मैं आपको बता दूं, देखो ये भी ऐसे लोग होते हैं, मैंने अभी आपको पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है, तो मैंने आप कह रहे थे सर आप बहुत फास्ट पढ़ा रहे हैं. अगर मेरी पर्सनैलिटी कुछ लाइक हर्ष टाइप होती या कुछ ऐसे वो एरोगेंट टाइप पर्सनैलिटी होती, तो मैं आपको बता दूं, दिस इज नॉट माई हेडेक, दिस इज नॉट माई कंसर्न. My concern is to teach you whether you are able to understand or not. आपने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है, आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता है कि मैं कितनी slowly आपको पढ़ाऊं. बात समझ में आ रही मैं क्या कह रहा हूं आपसे? No. If I
Sir,
will
sir,
try,
one point, sir.
if I will try to please Basil 1 minute, if I will try to adapt with the changing circumstances and situations, is it clear which role I'm supposed to play? For example, in capacity of a son, which role I'm likely going to play? In capacity of a, I mean to say, teacher, which role I'm likely going to play? And once I can create a balance between internal and external traits, that leads to have the personality of a person. Now it includes, ये भी हम अब इग्नोर भी नहीं कर सकते, कोई अच्छे वे से चल रहा है, किसी इंसान का अच्छा सेटअप है, सेटअप मीन्स कि किसी का ड्रेसिंग सेंस अच्छा है, किसी के बात करने का तरीका अच्छा है, किसी के वेल बिहेवियर, किसी का मतलब बात, सोशल एटिकेट्स, बाकी टेबल मैनर्स, तो वो that's a part of personality, but that's not altogether personality. That also defines your personality. Okay, Basil, you can say something about it, please. Basil, you can speak.
Yes, सर आपने अभी कहा ना कि सर अगर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने आपको बोला कि सर आप फास्ट जा रहे हैं, ऐसे जा रहे हैं, तो आप उस पे वैसे बोल सकते थे. सर वो आपने बिहेव किया, वो भी बिहेवियर एक आ जाता है ना, क्योंकि सर आप हमारी
that is not a balanced personality. Yes, Basil. Then
सर
it's
वो
not
भी
a
एक
balanced.
यस सर वो भी पर्सनालिटी का एक बन जाता है ना,
वो भी पर्सनालिटी का, वो भी एक पर्सनालिटी का फेसेट है, बट दैट इज नॉट ए बैलेंसिंग पर्सनालिटी. वी कैन से, मैं उसमें कहूँगा आई डोंट हैव, ही डजंट हैव अ बैलेंसिंग पर्सनालिटी. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आई कैन बी ऑलवेज राइट. देखो जिसको हम कहेंगे ना गुड पर्सनालिटी, good personality ये होती है, you have to adapt with the changing circumstances and the situations. It's not something fundamentally. मुझे पता है, मुझे किसी के कहने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जैसे कि maximum people you might have heard this dialogue from the many people, many girls, many boys. उसके कहने से क्या होगा, उनके कहने से, टीचर्स के, मुझे कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता. स्टूडेंट्स हो तो मुझे पता है आप लोग कैसे होते हैं. No, not at all. If I'm able to come up your expectations, if I'm supposed to play the role of a teacher and I'm likely going to play it in a nice way, then I have a balanced personality. If I'm likely going to play some other role, one is back cheese, one should be teacher. Bush is teacher, maybe I'm supposed to be a teacher from 10 to 4. At each and every point of time, for example, apart from that, by waki time chashan, bakarna pan family mas pan bachan sit pan mulis mai sit, I will act them as a teacher over there. Then I don't have a balancing personality over there. Because when picnic, baat samajhna meri baat ko, main picnic ja raha hu. Are you able to understand what I am trying to convey? For example, I will act like a preacher over there. I'm with my friends over there. So my personality is not balancing kind of personality. So once a balanced personality is that which adapts with the changing, with the different circumstances and the situations over there. Is it clear? Is it clear what I am trying to
Yes,
convey?
sir.
So what we need to develop that we need to motivate the people. We need to influence the behavior of the people. So there are the different ways. Try to have this balancing personality. कभी किसी इंसान से इन्फ्लुएंस कैसे हो जाते हैं, ऑलवेज ये ट्रू नहीं होता है कि कोई बड़ी बड़ी कार्स में चल के आप दूसरे को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. देयर आर द डिफरेंट वेज. अगर आप एक किसी गरीब इंसान के साथ चलते हो तो उसके साथ आपका कैसा बिहेवियर है. अगर आपको कभी गॉड फॉरबिड आप तो मे बी कभी इंसान कुछ साथ आसमानस में उड़न पा कुछ साथ थोड़ा बहुत इंसान नीचे आ जाता है, उस टाइम आपको उस सिचुएशन में कोप अप करना होता है. देखिए गॉड फॉर अल्लाह बचाए, व्हाई मैक्सिमम पीपल दे कमिट सुसाइड नाउअडेज, because they are not able to create a balance in their lives. They are not able to create a balance in their personalities. They are not in a position to cope up with the changing circumstances and the situations. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं हमें डिप्रेशन हुआ, एंजाइटी हुआ. क्यों हुआ? रीजन ये होता है कि वो द चेंजिंग सर्कमस्टेंसेस, चेंजिंग सिचुएशंस जो होता है वो उस चीज के लेके अपनी पर्सनालिटी को बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते, एंड रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सुसाइड एंड अदर थिंग्स ओवर देयर. Is it clear? And apart from that, we discussed something about the innovations. The job of the manager, the job of the management is to bring certain innovations in some institution or organization. Is it clear? Then it helps us in decision making, to make decisions, to create certain decisions. At which point of time, हमें कौन सा decision? क्योंकि कभी decision making, it's not something things are going on and let it be likewise. No, you need to put certain decisions. You need to put certain, efforts over there. Is it clear? So, and apart from that, it meets I mean, say management meet the challenge of change, yani ki different with the changing time, with the changing circumstances, with the changing situations. It helps us to manage those changes over there. It helps us in accomplishment of our goals. Is it clear? The group goals, the company goals, and over there. And then finally, it helps us in have the utilization of what we call as effective utilization of business over there. Is it clear? So it helps us in resource development. It helps us in having a sound organization structure over there. It tries to create a kind of what we called as a stability inside an institution, inside an organization over there. Is it clear? And finally, we see that it helps us in integrating the different cycles, integrating the different aspects over there in an institution. Is it clear? And apart from that, you can add something more to it. For example, it helps in tackling the problems, situations, it helps in coordinating the people and other things over there. I think this is enough about the functions of management. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, and now the question is, what's the difference between management and administration? Is they are one and the same, or they are different? What's the difference between administration and management? So once we talk of administration, so first and foremost, we can differentiate those two terms by its policies and objectives. यानी कि what it means policies and objectives. यानी कि जब मैं पहली बात हम करते हैं किसकी बात करते हैं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की हम बात करते हैं. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन it determines policies, those policies which are to be followed. Are you able to understand? And it's the job of the administration to decide the objectives to be achieved. Are you able to understand? Yani ki administration is meant to decide the objectives. They set up the objectives. They set up the goals. And management is meant for the implementation of that policy in order to achieve those objectives over there. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? साथ बात समझ में आ रही, मैं क्या कह रहा हूं आपसे? बात समझ में आ रही कि नहीं आ रही है?
जी सर.
यानी कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दे सेटअप, दे प्रिपेयर, दे चॉट आउट ए प्लान. हमें ये करना है, हमें ब्यूटिफिकेशन ऑफ श्रीनगर सिटी करनी है, हमें ये प्लान डेवलप करना है. बट मैनेजमेंट इज दैट हेल्प्स इन द इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द पॉलिसीज एंड मींस से एंड इट ट्राइज टू अचीव दोस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ओवर देयर. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes,
जी
sir.
सर.
So this was a little bit about it. Now shall we move to the next topic or we will?
No sir.
Yes. Huh?
No sir, अब नहीं.
Hello.
सर बाकी कल पढ़ेंगे if you don't mind.
आप थक गए?
जी सर.
क्यों?
सर क्लास थी से पहले भी.
अच्छा, मेरा क्लास भी इतना बोर लग रहा है.
नो सर, ये मॉर्निंग में होता है तो अच्छा लगता है, अभी थक गया. सैचुरेटेड.
यामिन, would you like to say something? जरा अपना वीडियो ऑन करो यामिन. I wish I can see most of my students. हाँ यामिन, बस इतना ही पढ़े?
यस सर, जैसे वैसे 2-3 क्लास कंटिन्यूअसली तो थोड़ा थक गए हैं.
चले कोई बात
क्लास
नहीं.
कंटिन्यूअसली.
कल कितने बजे हमारी क्लास है?
इन द मॉर्निंग आई गेस.
चलो इंशाल्लाह अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा तो कल हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे. आपने वो शायद पढ़ा भी होगा इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में. व्हाट इकोनॉमिक्स
9:30 कल भी है.
So inshallah we'll try to meet you at 9:30. We will try to discuss something about what's economics, what are the different types of economics, what's industrial economics. Then we will discuss something about types of economics, macroeconomics and other things. So till then, I need a good answer from you people that would be related to your personality. तो once again इस चीज के बारे में आपसे मैं कुछ और सुनना चाहता हूँ कि एक बैलेंस, क्या आप कोई कंक्रीट डेफिनेशन मुझे दे सकते हैं व्हाट पर्सनालिटी इज, और अपनी पर्सनालिटी को हम बैलेंस कैसे कर सकते हैं? आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है. आई नीड टू लिसन आंसर ऑफ दिस वेरी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यू पीपल. हेलो, ठीक है कल के लिए. हेलो जासिरा.
जी सर.
Am I audible?
Yes sir.
Okay, now you mark the attendance. अभी अब मार्क कीजिएगा. That attendance is to be counted. कितने हैं? What's the total number right now?
27.
I think we have only 20 people with us. Or 27?
27 sir.
Okay, just mark attendance, just have a screenshot and you will share with me. Till then, take care of your good selves. अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा तो इंशाल्लाह कल मिलते हैं. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. और once again, thank you all of you. अगर आपको लगेगा कि कभी I am going fast, because students are always best judges and I believe this, so please let me know at that very particular time. Khuda Hafiz. Have a nice day ahead. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You can leave, huh? Thank you all.